The man accused of shooting and killing 18-year-old Sheridan Gorman appeared virtually in court today, as attorneys say he continues to be treated at a local hospital for tuberculosis and several other health issues. Public defense attorneys confirmed today that Medina entered the country illegally in Texas in 2023, where he was detained for a few months before being sent to Chicago on one of the many buses that were sent in from Texas that year during federal immigration disputes. Prosecutors say he has been living in Chicago ever since and is now facing felony charges of first-degree murder and aggravated discharge of a firearm in connection to last week's death of the Loyola University freshman. Today, Medina's public defender called on elected officials to do more to avoid these tragedies.
Stop talking about gun violence and do something about it, because innocent people are dying, and then public defenders like myself have to stand here and clean up the mess of these politicians who do nothing.
Prosecutors say Gorman noticed a man hiding at the Toby Prince Pier at Rogers Park while walking with her friends on March 19th around 1 a.m. That's when police say the group tried to run, as Medina allegedly chased after and fired a shot which struck Gorman in the back, leading her to die from her injuries. Medina was arrested one day later at his apartment in Rogers Park after investigators say he was seen in the area on surveillance video before and after the shooting. A .40 caliber handgun was recovered in his apartment, along with the ski mask and clothing that police say were used during the shooting. Medina has a previous retail theft charge that prosecutors say happened in 2023, shortly after he arrived to Chicago. He never appeared in court, so an arrest warrant was issued. Medina's attorneys are now hoping to keep him detained locally and face these charges before ICE carries out its own arrest detainer. They also shared photos displaying Medina's severe brain injury here, suffered during an armed robbery in Colombia, which they say now has his brain developing at the same rate as a child. The Gorman family appeared virtually in court today. An attorney for that family shared a statement saying the family still loves Loyola University and its community, adding in part, quote, "What happened to Sheridan was not a reflection of the Loyola community. It was the result of a failure outside of it."
Authorities say so far that there's no known connection between Medina and Gorman or her friends.